Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of this Java course. Today I want to show you the scanner class we need for our calculator. Let me first delete the most of this here and then let's go. First we assign the scanner class called scanner. I just call the variable scan equals new scanner. So the scanner needs a parameter and it's system dot. We want an input stream. We want to input something. So system dot n. Here we go. Now we have a scanner. Now I show you three methods of the scanner. They are important. First let's print something out that you can see the usage. One method of the scanner is next line. So we can assign immediately a string. Let's call them next line. And set them equal to scan dot next line. Okay, let's start it. So the scanner takes an input stream and we can put something in the console and just check if it works. Okay, we don't have an arrow. Let's do it again. And here we can see we can put a whole line in it. That's why it's called line. Now let's copy this. And the next one is just next. So let me show you the next method. Now I do the same like with the next line, like first the next line. Next, okay, we just have one word, finished, no problem, perfect. But now you see the difference. Next, if we put a line in the next, then it works. But if we print it out, then you will see what happened. So line, next. So you just print the first words out. Let's do it also with line, next line. Then you will see the difference. So you see, next line, the scanner takes the complete next line, with next just the first word, the first string. Now I show you another method we will need for our calculator. Double, next double, and assign it to scan dot next double. Perfect. Now let's print it out immediately. We also can calculate here that this is a very nice feature from this method. So we just can say next double times, let's say 47, the number of every answer of a question. So okay, next line, yep, next, and now we just say let's say 10. Now you see the correct number, it takes the correct number. So now we learned about a scanner, next line method, the next method, and the next double method. So try it by yourself. On the next video we will build more on our calculator. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.